Hello and welcome. Today we are going to unbox my new watch. Quick wrist check. I am wearing the Black Bay 58 Bronze, currently in a deluxe leather strap. I removed the bronze bracelet. I just like it at the moment a bit better on this. I don't know why. Okay, let's see what I have. It's another Tudor. Ta-da! And let's unbox it. Standard Tudor box. Standard Tudor inner box. So let's move that aside and do the big reveal. Here we go. That's the Tudor Black Bay GMT Steel and Gold. Pretty nice watch. We have here a rest in the box is the warranty card, manual, and the COSC certificate. Okay, there's my extra links and the hang tag. No extra strap, it just comes on the bracelet. I really like this watch. I like the fact that it's same dimension as the old one. I really liked this a bit heftier feel on it. This one is currently on the Uncle Seiko bracelet, but don't let that fool you. This is an aftermarket bracelet. I have removed the original one. As you know, I like to play around with bracelets and straps, so there you go. It has the exact same dimensions as the old one. Nothing changed. Same height, same lock width, everything is the same. So I like it. But it's considerably heavier than the old one because of the gold. The gold is solid on the bezel, solid on the crown, solid on the end link, but then kept on the individual pieces here. One thing that I don't like, let's get this out of the way, is that the clasp is not in proper two-tone like you see here. Rolex has that in a different way. The next thing I just wanted to talk about is, what about the color? The color of the gold. Somehow it looked to me, just looking at the watch by itself, even though it's supposedly yellow gold, a bit rose goldish to me. So like a shimmer of other things. It could be that this is because of the matte finishing versus here my yellow gold Sky Dweller, which is polished. All parts that are in gold are polished, so that might just make it a bit more blingy, but I have a feeling it is a bit more rose goldish. If we compare this, for example, to the Setna gold from Omega, we see it's brighter, but the difference is not too much between rose gold and that yellow gold. Anyhow, lovely watch. You know all the details already. I don't need to tell you that about the power reserve, 70 hours, the chronometer certification, the new Tudor standards, +4, -2, apply to this as well. This is a wrist shot. I still have to remove all of the stickers. I will do that not on camera. That's too boring for you. And here we go. I love the look. It's really a nice watch. The root beer, as people call it. There you go. All right. So much for that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.